Most people get this wrong. They assume online banks are just like traditional banks, but without branches. The surprising truth is that UBank offers a fully digital experience with competitive rates and low fees, making it a strong choice for savers and everyday banking. Today, they'll give you an honest review before you consider signing up. UBank is an Australian online bank owned by National Australia Bank, and it focuses on simplicity and efficiency. They offer savings accounts with interest rates often higher than traditional banks, term deposits, and transaction accounts. You won't believe what happens next. Their USaver account currently offers competitive rates, sometimes exceeding 3% per year, which is higher than many standard savings accounts in Australia. One of the biggest advantages is the low fees. Most accounts have no monthly fees, and online transfers are free within Australia. Account management is fully digital via the UBank app or web portal, and you can easily track balances, set up recurring transfers, and manage term deposits. The surprising truth is how fast and simple account opening is. You can open a UBank account entirely online, usually within 10-15 minutes, and verify your identity using the app. There's no need to visit a branch, and once your account is active, you can start saving immediately. However, it's not perfect. UBank doesn't offer in-person services, so if you prefer face-to-face banking, this might not suit you. Also, international transfers can be more complicated and may require linking to a traditional NAB account. In conclusion, UBank is an excellent choice for anyone comfortable with online banking, looking for higher interest rates, and wanting low-fee accounts. If you're seeking a simple, digital-first banking experience, UBank is worth considering. Subscribe for more honest reviews on banks and financial products to help you make smarter money decisions.